This is Hoover Dam, Lake Mead. There's Hoover Dam. There's a lot of helicopters that are flying around today. I guess they're doing helicopter tours. We're not doing one. I'll walk over here. There's Lake Mead. That's the spillway. Obviously don't use that anymore because there ain't no water. That's the new bridge going across up there. Years ago when I drove semi-truck through here, we'd come from clear up there, way up there. Way up there. Zigzag around coming down. Go across this dam right here, and to get to that parking garage over there, I need to zigzag up the other side. That was a long time ago though. I don't do that anymore. That's about it. All right.